In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Monday.com live chat support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, the first step is to log into your Monday.com account. You'll want to navigate to any active workspace or board view page. This is where you'll be able to access all the tools and options you need for your inquiry. Once you're in your workspace, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or your initials displayed there. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a drop-down menu, allowing access to various options related to your account. From this drop-down menu, find and select the Get Help option. Click on it, and this will open the Support Resource panel on your screen. This panel contains several helpful options, including links and resources to guide you further. Now within this support panel, look to the sidebar on the right. Here, you'll find a button labeled Chat with Us. Click on this button to initiate a chat with the support team. As the chat window opens, you'll see a chat box waiting for your message. At this point, it's important to clearly type your specific question into the chat box. The AI assistant will generate automated suggestions based on what you type. Sometimes, these automated responses can effectively address your concern, so it's beneficial to explore any suggestions it may provide. If the automated responses don't quite solve your issue, don't worry. In the chat box, simply type the phrase "talk to a human" or "talk to an agent." This will alert the system that you need to connect with a live support representative. Following this, you will need to wait a moment for a live support representative to join your chat session. When they do, it's time to explain your issue in a clear and concise manner. Providing any error messages or specific details regarding the problem will help them assist you more effectively. Remember, the more information you provide, the better they can understand what you're facing. This proactive approach can lead to faster resolution of your issue. Once you've communicated your problem, be sure to pay close attention to the instructions provided by the support agent. They'll guide you through the steps needed to fix whatever issue you are experiencing with your Monday.com account. And that's it. You're now equipped to get the help you need through live chat support on Monday.com. By following these steps, you can quickly connect with a representative who will assist you in resolving your issue efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy collaborating with Monday.com.